Now students, we will solve the question number 2 from the same exercise 11.2. So question number 2, from question number 2 I am going to solve the subpart B and C, and I want you to solve subpart A and D on your own. मैंने आज B और C सॉल्व करना है और बाकी बचे दो क्वेश्चंस A और D आपने होमवर्क में सॉल्व करने हैं. जैसे इसमें का क्वेश्चन 1 का भी, दिस इज B इज होमवर्क, C इज होमवर्क, यहाँ पे भी A इज होमवर्क एंड D इज होमवर्क. ओके, सो C question number 2 B. In this we have to do the division. Divide 76 liter 800 milliliter by 8. So to divide this 76 liter 800 milliliter by 8, we have to convert this whole quantity into a uniform unit, because we have two different units over here, liters as well as milliliters. We can't perform the multiplication or division operation on such quantities which has two different units. So first of all, convert this 76 liter 800 milliliters into milliliters. So step 1 क्या होगा, convert 76 liters 800 milliliters into milliliters. So now यहाँ पे देखो 76 लीटर्स 800 मिलीलीटर्स, इस क्वांटिटी में 76 इज इन लीटर, 800 इज इन मिलीलीटर. तो 800 को मिलीलीटर में है ऑलरेडी, सो दैट क्वांटिटी वी डोंट हैव टू convert. We just have to convert 76 liters into milliliters. 800 will be kept as it is. So हमने सिर्फ 76 लीटर को ही कन्वर्ट करना है मिलीलीटर्स में, क्योंकि 800 मिलीलीटर ऑलरेडी मिलीलीटर्स में ही है. So to do the conversion we should know the equation, that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 लीटर और मिलीलीटर में क्या इक्वेशन है, क्या रिलेशन है, वो ये है कि 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. सो स्टार्ट कन्वर्टिंग. 76 लीटर 800 मिलीलीटर इज इक्वल टू 76 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 1000 से, बिकॉज वी आर कन्वर्टिंग दिस लार्जर यूनिट liter unit into a milliliter. Whenever we convert a larger unit into a smaller unit, we need to do the multiplication. So here liter is the larger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit. So to convert larger unit into smaller unit, we need to multiply by 1000. So 76 into 1000 milliliter plus 800 मिलीलीटर विल बी टेकन एज इट इज़. 800 मिलीलीटर को कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि 800 ऑलरेडी मिलीलीटर में ही है, उसका यूनिट मिलीलीटर ही है. तो चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है क्या फिर से मिलीलीटर में? नहीं, जो मिलीलीटर में है उसको मिलीलीटर में ही रखेंगे. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन आंसर इज 76,000 मिलीलीटर प्लस 800 मिलीलीटर. एडिशन के बाद आंसर आता है 76,800 मिलीलीटर. Now in step 2 we have to perform the division operation. So divide the answer which we have got after the conversion by 8. So conversion के बाद क्या मिला हमें? 76,800 milliliter. 76,800 milliliter we have to divide by 8. So you can use the long division method for the division. Okay. So to do the division we'll use long division method. So our dividend is 76,800, which we will write in this box, and divisor is 8, which we will write outside this box, and start dividing by 8. You all must be knowing the table of 8. So table of 8 से ही आपको division शुरू करना है. So 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. So quotient will be 9. 8 9s are 72. 76 minus 72, remainder क्या आया? 4. Next digit is 8. Write down that 8 over here. So it will become 48. 48. So see the table of 8. 8 6 are 48. So next quotient will be 6. Write down 6 in the quotient. 48 minus 48, 0 आ गया remainder. Next digit is also 0. Put this 0 down over here. After this remainder so your number is 0 0 0. so 8 into 0, 8 zeros are 0, quotient लिखो 0 and 0 0 minus 0 0, क्या आएगा आंसर में भी 0 0. अगेन टेक दिस 0 डाउन, जो लास्ट डिजिट बचा है दैट इज ऑल्सो 0, पुट दिस 0 ओवर हियर नेक्स्ट टू योर रिमाइंडर एंड क्वेश्चन में क्या आएगा, क्वेश्चन में भी 0 आएगा बिकॉज 8 इंटू 0, 8 zeros are 0, 0 minus 0, answer is 0. So what is your quotient? That will be your final answer. 99,600 is your final answer. So answer में लिखो 9,600. What will be the unit after this? 9,600 मिलीलीटर, बिकॉज ये जो क्वांटिटी थी जो हमने कन्वर्जन के बाद आंसर में लिखी थी that was in milliliter and we divided this milliliter quantity by 8, that means the final unit will be milliliters only. So 9,600 milliliters. Now we can convert this 9,600 milliliters into liters and milliliters. So अभी मैंने एक easy trick बताई है ना आपको, वही follow करो आप. Last 3 digits देखो, those 3 digits will be in milliliter and after those 3 digits remaining digits will be in liters. So last 3 digits क्या है देखो, 1 2 3 means 600, that will become a number 600. 600 मतलब 600 होगा मिलीलीटर्स में, और उसके बाद क्या बचा है, ओनली दिस नंबर 9. So 9 will be in liters. So the answer is 9,600 milliliters is equal to 9 liter 600 milliliter. Okay. So this is the final answer. Now the subpart C of the same question, question 2 subpart C. In this also we have to perform the division only. Okay. So divide 18 liter 180 milliliter by 9. Now you know to perform multiplication and division we have to convert the given quantity into a uniform unit. So जो 18 liter है 18 liter 180 milliliter है, it is in liter also and milliliters also. So first of all we have to convert this whole quantity into a uniform unit, एक ही unit लगाना है. That is why we will convert 18 liter 180 milliliter into milliliters. Now again 18 liters 180 milliliters में 180 is in milliliters only, so no need to convert 180 because it is already in milliliters. We just have to convert 18 liters. So now to convert 18 liter we have to do the multiplication by 1000. Why we are multiplying by 1000? Because we are converting larger unit which is liters into a smaller unit into milliliter. तो आपको पता ही होगा कि liter is a larger unit, milliliter is the smaller unit. So whenever we convert a larger unit into a smaller unit we do the multiplication. So लिखो यहाँ पे 18 liter 180 milliliter is equal to 18 into 1000 milliliter plus 180 milliliter. Answer is 18,000 milliliter plus 180 milliliter, and after addition we are getting the final answer, that is 18,180 milliliters. Okay. Now step 2. Step 2 में क्या करना है, हमको डिवाइड करना है. So divide 18,180 milliliter by 9. जो ये 18,180 milliliters है उसको डिवाइड करो 9 से. Use the long division method. Write 18,180 into this box and 9 outside the box. 9 will be your divisor, 18,180 will be your dividend. So 9 की टेबल आती है ना सबको, 9 2s are 18, that's why quotient is 2. 18 minus 18 0 आया remainder, next digit is 1, put this 1 down next to the remainder. So what is the dividend now? 1. We have to divide by 9. You can't divide 1 by 9 because 1 is smaller to 9. 1 जो है वो 9 से छोटा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will take the quotient 0. 9 2 के बाद लिखेंगे quotient 0. 9 into 0 क्या आएगा, 9 into 0 answer is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 answer is 0. So 9 into 0 is 0. So 1 minus आएगा 0. नाउ 1 माइनस 0 और रिमाइंडर क्या आया 1 है ना, रिमाइंडर इज 1. नाउ नेक्स्ट डिजिट आफ्टर दिस 1 was 8. सो पुट दिस 8 डाउन, नंबर बिकेम 18. तो आपका डिविडेंड क्या बना 18. नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 18 बाय 9. सी द टेबल ऑफ 9. 9 2 जा 18. तो क्वेश्चन में जाएगा 2. 18 minus 18, remainder is 0. Now the last digit which is left is 0. So put this 0 next to this remainder 0. So your next dividend is 0 0 0. Now divide this 0 0 by 9. That means we have to put 0 in the quotient. 9 into 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0, remainder is 0. So final answer जो quotient है वो लिखो final answer में. 2020 milliliter is your final answer, and convert this milliliter quantity into the liters and milliliters as I have told you before how to convert this quantity into liters and milliliters. First of all, last three digits क्या है, those three digits will be in milliliters and remaining digits will be in liters. So last three digits are 0 to 0. So 0 to 0, these are the last three digits. 0 to 0 मतलब क्या बना नंबर, इट इज 20 बिकॉज 100 प्लेस में है. कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इनटू 3 डिजिट नंबर सिस्टम. सो 0 to 0, 100 प्लेस में 0 है, टेंस में 2 है, वंस में 0 है. So number is 20. So 20 will be in milliliter and the remaining digits, only 2 is left, that digit will be in liter. So 2 is in the liter. 2 liter 20 milliliter. In this way we have finished with the question number 1 and 2, and in next class we are going to solve the remaining questions from the same exercise 11.2 which are going to be the word problems based on the multiplication and division operation. Okay, and I want you to do the homework as well as classwork, and if you have any doubts related to this exercise, you can ask me anytime. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.